Morning guys, I'm out on the S18 for a quick little ride. It's super stormy. I don't know if you can see it, but look at the clouds behind me. It's really quite mad. But today I am out on the Osmo Action. I managed to get a really good deal on Fleabay for an Osmo Action to see if this actually works better than my iPhone. So please drop some comments below and let me know if this looks better. I'm shooting at 4K 60, and hopefully the footage will come out quite nicely. Well, I'm hoping for an improvement. The nice thing about the Osmo Action is that it's got a front-facing camera, and it makes quite a big difference to be able to actually see, and you can sort of do your framing of a shot. So if I hold it to the side, I can do like a rule of thirds type of setup, or I can just look straight into the camera. And also, because of the iPhone's big screen, you see yourself much more clearer, so you don't look at the lens, and then it looks like you're always looking at someone else when you're taking the video. But guys, yeah, just a S18 ride in between the storm. It is absolutely, we've been having the last day and a half just super strong winds and rain that is just like all the trails are muddy again, so no fun indeed. So let's get some riding in and stop the waffle, but come and enjoy the ride.
Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming in colors I never dreamed in. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh, magic. No, I'm never letting go. Now that I have it with you. When you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher.
It's a bit of an audio test. I'm riding straight into the wind with the Osmo Action, and yeah, I hope it comes out okay. It's super windy, so I might just toss this out if it's not too good. Yeah, I hope it's good, because if it does work, then I can do a bit of riding and talking as well. But I don't think so. Let's get going. Whew. It's insane. I don't know if you can hear it. It's like a nuts. So this video is not going to have anything specifically discussing. I just want to really get out and ride the S18, get some more miles on the wheel, and also test the Osmo Action and see if it's going to work for me. I want to go down the road here, go up my usual round trip, get some 360 action, and then yeah, we'll see how it comes out. I'm very interested to see if this is actually going to be better or worse than the iPhone. I hope it's better, because it's so much nicer to be able to use gloves to start and stop the video. I can even say stop recording.
Clouds are stirring up the sky. I was always in denial of what I saw right in front of me. And every time I'm so damn lost to what I loved and what I lost. But let's get lost in love tonight. Hear a second voice inside my head. It's telling me to stay the night again and hold on to the words we always said would be forever, forever. Wait another day to clear my thoughts, so jump into a love that won't be forgotten. Forever, forever. Let's run away together. Let's run away together. Let's run away together. I wanna run away with you. Let's run away together. Let's run away. Let's run away together. Let's run away. Swear we'd never say goodbye. Fall asleep to lullabies with something that I thought I'd never find. And what is right and what is wrong, and all I ever saw was love. But let's get lost in love tonight. Hear a second voice inside my head. It's telling me to stay the night again and hold on to the words we always said would be forever, forever. Wait another day to clear my thoughts, so jump into a love that won't be forgotten. Forever, forever. Let's run away together. Let's run away together. Let's run away together. Let's run away together. Wait another day to clear my thoughts, so jump into a love that won't be forgotten. Forever, forever. Let's run away together.
My ride is pretty much done. I have, I think I've done about, let's have a quick look now that I can, without, done about 10 miles on the button. I've got about a mile to get home, but about 10 mile ride. about 80% battery life. So all good. I go down this dip, do some more water, check that I don't get hit by a car, and then my ride is done. So I hope the Osmo is a improvement to the video and the sound comes out okay, because it's really windy, and I was it's not the ideal way of testing testing the sound. I'm also thinking of getting a Rode mic equivalent, because the wireless Go is quite expensive, so I can ride and talk without wires and stuff. But I'll see. I first want to see if the footage comes out good enough, and if I want to keep the camera. Otherwise, it's going to go back on eBay. But so far, it's been nice. The front screen is great. We'll just get through this water. Ooh, deeper than I thought. So yeah, the front screen is great, and it's nice and easy to operate, even with gloves on. Okay guys, well thanks for watching, and please drop a subscribe, and I will see you on the next ride. Cheers.